Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to publish a Google prompt. So let's have a look now. Start by opening your Google prompt you want to publish. Now from the top left corner, click on Send button. This is where you will find the options to share or publish the prompt. Now click on the Embed tab. Here you will find options to embed the prompt into a website or share the link. Customize the embedding options to suit your needs. So that's for today. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.